Have you ever seen a presentation that didn't have a clear ending? Maybe it just kind of faded out or became awkward. I bet you've seen 20 or 30 of them or more. Endings matter. And when you're presenting, it's so important to be intentional about your ending, because that is the last feeling that people are going to walk away with. That's how they're going to remember it. And so even if you've gone overtime, make sure you have an ending plan, or you need to cut it short. Make sure you get your ending in there and you land it and you make it big, because that's going to be that final moment that people walk away with. We want them to have that intentional feeling. For example, when I'm running my Fail Gloriously session, I will end, at the end, I will say, from now on, how are you going to fail? And everyone will yell, gloriously! And then I'll say, thank you, and hopefully turn on some music and try and leave everyone on this kind of rowdy high that ties a knot and puts a bow on it. Because I like to make sure everyone knows, we all know together, this is over. And it also has an emotion tied to it. Endings matter. I would love to hear from you. What do you do? How do you end a presentation? Put it in the comments.